Greetings, dear friends. Most newcomers come to the market looking for a secret grail or a magic indicator that will reliably make them millions. But the truth is, there is no grail. There is only a clear mathematical algorithm. The only thing that separates professional traders from amateurs is having their own tested trading strategy. Over the next 20 minutes, I will guide you step by step through how to build a trading system from scratch, customize it for yourself, and make it work for you. We'll go from the first step to the final result. Be sure to watch this masterclass to the end if you don't want to lose your money. Besides, subscribe to our channel right now. We're getting started. Step 1 in our algorithm is choosing your battlefield. You must clearly define what and where you will trade. You cannot trade everything at once. Pick one or two core assets. For example, the euro/dollar pair or Bitcoin. Immediately after that, lock in your time frame. Decide what you are: an intraday trader taking positions over a few hours, or a swing trader holding positions for days or weeks. Write that down. Your strategy must be built for the specific conditions of your workspace.
Trade global markets with spreads from 0 pips and forget about overnight position rollover fees. The swap-free service is designed for long-term strategies and active scalping. All net profit remains in your account. With InstaForex, your trading capital always works at peak efficiency.
Step 2. You need to clearly define the market context in which your strategy will operate. The market has only two states, trend or range. Your strategy must clearly answer the question: in which market phase is it used? Do you trade only with the trend, recognizing strong impulse moves? Or do you trade in the flat market, using oscillations between the borders of a trading range? Trying to combine these two fundamentally different conditions in one strategy is a guaranteed path to draining your account. Choose one. Step 3 is the entry rules, your trading signals. Here, you must describe in detail the conditions under which the robot or you will press the buy button. Don't write vague phrases like, "I buy when the instrument trades at lows." Your strategy must state clearly, "I open a long position only when the 5-minute candle closes above the resistance line and trading volume at that moment increases by at least 20%. No precise trigger, no trade. You simply stay out of the market.
Making mistakes in the financial markets is no longer frightening. The unique risk insurance program allows you to fully protect your deposit. In the event of losing trades, the company compensates for losses. Secure trading and 100% protection begin with an InstaForex account. Follow the link.
Step 4 is adding filters and confirmations. One indicator or one chart pattern often produces false signals. To protect yourself from false triggers, you need a strict filter. For example, if your main trigger is a breakout, the filter could be a volume indicator. Put in your rules. I enter only when the breakout is confirmed by increased volume. But remember a professional rule. Use no more than 2 filters in one strategy. Otherwise, you'll overload the system and never see any entry signals. Step 5 is the most important element, the foundation of your survival in the market. These are your risk-limiting rules and stop-loss placement. Remember, trading without a stop-loss is professional suicide. Your strategy must state strictly, in every single trade, I may not lose more than 1% of my total trading capital. You must know exactly where your protective order will be placed before you open the trade. A stop-loss is not your loss. It's the cost of your insurance against total account destruction.
No time for routine work and deep chart study? Earn from the experience of professionals. The automated ForexCopy and PAMM services let you copy top traders' positions. Your funds remain fully protected. Open an account with InstaForex to invest and trade like a pro.
Step 6 is the precise size of your position. It's not enough to know where to place the stop loss on the chart. You must correctly calculate how many lots, contracts, or coins you buy. A professional never enters a trade with a random or fixed volume. If the stop loss distance in the current trade is 20 points and your fixed risk per trade is $100, you must use a mathematical formula to calculate the lot size. Your coin/lot size will change from one position to another, but the potential loss should always remain the same, exactly 1% of your account. Step 7 is about exit rules or profit taking. Taking profit is often harder than taking a loss because greed and hope for endless gains wake up at that moment. Your strategy must clearly define where you will exit the market. Will it be a fixed take profit always 3 times your stop loss, or will you use a trailing stop as the price moves? Whatever you choose, the average risk-to-reward ratio in your system should be at least 1 to 3. You must make big gains when you're right and lose little when you're wrong.
Trading is not just charts, it is a lifestyle. Fund your account with at least $333 within a month and claim premium gadgets, crypto bonuses, or luxury cars. InstaForex offers the market's best prize terms for this.
Step 8 is backtesting your trading strategy. Once you have written the rules, you must test them for strength. Don't think about trading real money immediately after creating the algorithm. Open the chart for your chosen asset, go back in time, and find at least 100 of your historical signals from past years and see how your rules would have performed. How many trades would have closed in profit and how many in loss? What was the maximum losing streak? If after 100 historical trades your strategy shows an overall loss, throw it away without regret and start again. Step 9 is forward testing on a micro account. If history shows your strategy would have been profitable, don't rush to load your full capital into the trading platform. In backtesting, you didn't experience real emotions, but everything changes in the live market. Open a cent account or trade the minimum lot for 1 month. Your main task at this stage is not to make millions, but to check whether you can physically follow the strategy rules second by second with real, though very small, money at stake.
How to multiply profit with minimal investment. Use a unique deposit format that multiplies your capital on a progressive scale and flexible leverage of up to 1 to 5,000 for large trades. All these growth tools are available only on the InstaForex platform.
Step 10 is regular system audits via a trading journal. Creating a strategy doesn't end when you launch it. Any trading strategy is a living mechanism that requires constant fine-tuning. After every 50 or 100 trades, you must conduct a deep mathematical analysis. Look at your figures in the journal. At what time of day does your strategy make the most profit? Which assets perform the worst and which deliver the best results? Based on these data, you streamline the system. You switch off what brings losses and double down on what makes money. Step 11 is drawdown management. You must know in advance what you will do when your strategy starts losing money. That drawdown period will inevitably come even for the most profitable system. Include in your trading plan a hard rule. If my strategy records 5 consecutive losses or the account drawdown reaches 10%, I immediately stop trading and send the system for reevaluation. This strict rule will save you from a psychological collapse, protect you from tilt, and guarantee the preservation of capital for future profitable market cycles.
Profit from Bitcoin and altcoin volatility 24/7 without complex wallets or buying the coins themselves. The CFD format with leverage allows you to profit from both strong rallies and price declines. You can trade this trending instrument around the clock with InstaForex.
Step 12 is to choose your execution method. Decide exactly how you will open positions. Will you sit in front of the screen for hours waiting for signals, or set up automatic audio alerts on your smartphone? Or will you hire a programmer and package your rules into a trading robot? For beginners, I strongly recommend manual trading with harsh audio alerts. This way, you will build discipline that lets you deeply feel every price move within the system you created. When your step-by-step algorithm is fully ready, checked, and tested, it's time to look at the raw figures of mathematical expectancy. Remember once and for all, perfect strategies with a 100% win rate do not exist. Look at this screen. Even if your strategy yields only 45% winning trades, with your average risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 3, you will consistently and powerfully grow your capital over time. Your own trading strategy is not magic or luck. It's a dry mathematical business plan where you know the price of every step.
Protect your money from inflation and crises. Precious metals are a classic tool for capital preservation. Investors choose gold and silver contracts with instant order execution. Click the link below the video and test metal trading with InstaForex.
Let's sum everything up. Building your own trading strategy is the only path to stable earnings in financial markets. Without it, you're just a casino player, randomly betting red or black, fully dependent on blind luck. Right now, after this video, take a sheet of paper and write down the first 3 items of your future algorithm. Choose the asset, fix the time frame, and set your strict risk per trade. If this masterclass helped you put the chaos in your head in order, please give it a like. Write in the comments whether you already use a clear strategy or still trade by intuition. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Here, we give only working tools for traders without unwanted blah blah blah. See you in the next videos.